Hi everyone, so welcome back to this last video which I've told you as a special gift video. Now you have taken already your first step. Now let's make sure that you actually reach your goal. So I'm so excited to tell you about something super special, that is about the silver membership, which will give you a lifetime access to my Homepreneur Success Formula program. So I invite you all to join my Homepreneur Success Formula, which is your step-by-step guide to building a profitable work-from-home business in just next 30 days. It is just perfect for the beginners. No tech overwhelm is there. It's a step-by-step action plans. All right, and there is a special Independence Day offer which I'm giving you. I'll let you know in a few minutes. Okay, before that I wanted to tell you that what you will get inside this Homepreneur Success Formula. Let me give you all the details. So you will get inside this a complete step-by-step program. You will learn how to create your own digital product from scratch. You will learn how to fast track the entire process of product creation, marketing, sales, and the lead generation. Then you will get how to scale and automate your business so you are not working 24 into 7. All right, so that's the beauty of this program. And if you are stuck and on like what niche you should choose, then I have a special tool inside this program that will help you to find your perfect niche in just a few minutes. All right, so everything is included in this entire program, which will help you to create your digital coaching business in just 30 days. And it's super simple and easy to follow by anyone, even if you are not from a technology background, no problem. And the best part is that you can set up your entire business in just 30 days. That's my promise. That's what I'm telling you again and again. Even if you have a zero tech background, I'll guide you through creating the graphic designs for your marketing. All right, building your own attractive web pages and the landing pages, setting up a payment page link to your landing page so your business is fully operational. Now this is everything. So the usual price of this is generally 10,999, but I have an Independence Day gift for you. I'm giving you this at only 1,999. You can book your slots before 15th of August and get rupees 9,000 off on this particular program. It's a huge big sale which I'm giving you just for 15th of August. Only one day, between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on 15th of August, this offer is valid. The special gift price is valid, where I'm giving you 9,000 rupees off. Plus, you will get a digital freedom planner absolutely free along with this program. So this is a very mega sale, you can say mega gift, which I am giving you on 15th of August. Now, this offer, as I'm telling you, it's only valid for 15th of August, that is between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and it is valid for only 50 people. Okay, do remember that only for the first 50 people who book this, who enroll into this program, only for them this is valid at rupees 1,999. It's only valid for a limited time period, that is one day only, that is on 15th of August, Independence Day offer, the freedom offer I'm giving you to achieve your financial freedom. Now, if you're watching this before 15th, I'll share the link tomorrow so you can grab it. Sharp at 9 o'clock, I'll share the link. Then you can buy this thing. And if you're watching on 15th of August only, just check below this video and click the link to secure your spot. Plus, along with this program, I'm also giving you 4 bonus courses which are absolutely free. Yes, on top of everything, you'll get 4 extra courses at no cost. But let's see, since I'm becoming a very generous today, and because it's a freedom week, so here's one more gift to you. You can still grab this program on 16th and 17th August for freedom weekend special price. But the price is not the same as 15th of August. It will be 4,999 rupees, which and this offer ends on 17th August at sharp 11:59 p.m. Okay, so this is another gift which I'm giving you on 16th and 17th. If those of you if the seats get filled, the 50 people have already registered. If they registered on 15th of August at 1,999, then I'm giving you another 2 days offer on 16th and 17th at a discounted price of 4,999. This entire package you'll get it. Now, since you're a part of my community, I'm giving you an early access to reserve your seat for the 1,999 price only. You can fill out the booking form today to unlock in your spot. I'll be sharing the link down below, the Google form which you can fill it, and you can book your spot so that you don't miss this offer price of tomorrow, that is on 15th of August, which is 1,999, where you'll get this entire package. Okay, then you can make the payment tomorrow between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. when I'll share the link. So what you can do is you can book the slot today itself by filling this form, Google form, if you're interested in buying this entire program. All right, and then you can make the payment tomorrow, that is on 15th of August. If you're watching on 15th of August, then you can make the payment today itself. I'll be opening the window of payment link. I'll be sharing it sharp at 9 a.m. You can make a payment between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. today at this offer price of 1,999. Okay, so you can make the payment. Just remember that 1,999 offer is only for 15th of August between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. only, and only for 50 seats available at this price. Alright, and 4,999 offer is valid for 16th and 17th August only. Alright, so this Independence Day, let's set yourself free from doubts, from fear, from financial limits. Your freedom starts now. See you inside my community. Thank you. Bye.